All right, these are my Panchito heads. Unboxing 044 from CB Performance Panchito heads. They're going on the Berg motor. I was going to try to get away from the semi-hemi heads and do these Panchitos. I got the order in on March 16th. They tell you from the jump that it's going to be 6 to 8 weeks because they're on back order. Got a box within a box. Here's the spec sheet. They were fly cut to 53 cc's, opened up for 90.5. Stainless steel valve springs. This is no warranty, no refund. Always gonna not dig all these peanuts. These are auto linear castings. When I talked to Ronnie about it, he said these were like 2 years in development with Brazil. CB Performance and Brazil got together for these. Almost lost my razor and all these peanuts. Alright. It's the intake, valves, springs, keepers, exhaust. They were fly cut. You can see they took a fin off. I'm going for 8.5 to 1 compression. What's today? May 3rd. Just if anybody's considering buying these, just know you're gonna wait. But it's like everything aftermarket, made to order. There's the other head. Let's see. Yeah, those are 40 intakes and 35.5 exhausts. That's what I ordered. That's like the smallest valves you can get. If I went with the Berg heads, they were going to be stock valves, which everybody, I shouldn't say everybody, I'd say about half the people say you'll be fine with this valve size, and the other half of people say you want stock valves for a small motor for port velocity. But yeah, that's it. These were like 800 bucks for the pair. All right.